Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these leaves. Actually, these leaves are really easy to crochet. If you are new here, I'm sharing easy crochet tutorials every second week. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Now let's begin. These are materials we'll be using. We find green yarn and start with a slip knot. Do not count this one as a stitch. Now we do 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, here we have 8. Now we find the second stitch from the hook, and we do an unfinished single crochet, and we repeat 6 more times. So here's our second one. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we yarn over and pull through 2 loops every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's one side of our leaf. Now we turn to the other side to repeat the same thing. Here are the 7 spaces we will be working. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we still do an unfinished single crochet in each space, and we do 7. We're doing the same pattern as the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now again, every time we yarn over and pull through 2 loops until the end. So we're still doing the same pattern as the other side. So that's the pattern of this leaf. Here we come to the end. Now we turn to the other side again and do a slip stitch. So that's our leaf. Finally, we cut off the yarn. This is the front side. Finally, we head the tail to the back side of the leaf. So this is our leaf. We will do 9 leaves for one branch. For each 3, we assemble into a small branch. And every 3 small branches makes a whole branch. You can do any variation you like. So let's assemble everything. Done.